All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to learn how to merge visible our layers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our layer panel here, and I'm going to click on the layers panel menu, and we're going to do merge visible. Okay. And what that's going to do, let me Control Z, and let's do that again just so you can see what I did here. So let's do merge, layers menu, and then merge visible. So you see what that did. It merged everything together. Okay. Now, another way to do that is if I go down here, let's create a new layer and make this simpler. So I'm going to hold Shift and select 13 and drag this down to the bottom. And I'm going to hide all these. So if I select them all, hold Control and comma, that's going to do it for me. And then give this layer green, right? So if I select these three layers here, or just layer 15, and merge visible, what it's going to do is it's going to grab the three layers below it and merge them together. So if you were to do this at the top, even though these are hidden, it would group all these together. So let's do that once just to see how it looks. Okay, so that's merge layers. Now, these aren't selected. Now they are. But if they weren't, then back here, let's do this. Control, comma. There we go. And if I do merge visible, it's going to merge everything together. Okay, so you only want to do this if you want to convert this to an image, which you can just export as, or if you're done editing and you don't need to edit anymore. I highly recommend at least having one source of layers that you can edit completely, and then create another PSD with the merged layers. That way, if you need to edit something, you can. Just a little trick. Because the last thing you want to do is you want to do a project, merge the layers, merge visible, and then you leave the job, or it's a freelance job, and then the next person comes in and they can't edit anything because it's just a flat image. So they have to redo all the work. So like I said, merge visible is a great tool, but you only want to do it where the edits are easy to make. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.